Making food choices. As we talk about how the food is distributed in our food pyramid, how much we should consume from each of the vegetables, fruit, beef, so each group, and the amount. Okay. Now, as you grow older, you make more decisions about your life. You will also make more choices as a consumer. Even today, you often decide yourself what foods to eat. For example, you can help your parents to do the breakfast. And you know it's a good choice to have a little wheat bread sandwich with cheese and ham. We could add a little bit of veggies, so we can add sugar, lettuce and tomato to it, and a glass of fresh juice of orange. So that is your choice. You can make now those choices. You're grown up. You can discern what is good and what is bad for you. Then fresh food is one of a healthy choice. Fresh food do not have anything added to them. So that's why we should always select fresh vegetables, not frozen ones, not the ones that are, you buy it in the supermarket in a little bag, because I know it's easier for us to consume, to cook and all that, but the real ones, the fresh ones, contains all those minerals and vitamins we need. The ones that have not heating or frozen, boiled or frozen, are those that are better because you will receive the whole amount of vitamins and minerals that they provide to you. So heating or frozen food may destroy or break down some nutrients. Think about a healthy could be this one. Nope, that is not a healthy choice, not at all. But a healthy choice or a health food choice could be a salad with a dressing with lemon juice, a little bit of olive oil, avocado, tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce, a little bit of oil, olives. So that is a healthy choice. We can eat those with fish and, have a little bit of rice, brown rice, or potatoes, or yuca. So those are the ones that we should eat. And also we can have a selection of fruit. That is a healthy choice, okay? The food label. Knowing how to read labels on food packages is important. It will help you make wise choices. Why? Well, because we can see in the food labels what type of ingredients the product will contain. If it contains a lot of salt, salt is bad for us. So we should not consume a lot of salt or a lot of sugar. Remember last class, we talked about those names that are like fructose and glucose. Those are kind of sugar, and they don't say sugar as it is. So they hide it as fructose or lactose in the labels, but you really don't know what are you eating. So it's important to know what it's in the food we're eating. The food label shows information that tells the buyer what is in the product and who made it. It's very important to select and pick those vegetables and fruits and all the food that are fresh. If it's fresh, better, and to make good choices, to select good, to have a good mind at the moment to select something. If you're hungry and you need a snack, it's better to eat a banana than to have a cookie. If you are hungry or in the afternoon, you're craving for something, you can eat something healthy like popcorn without sugar or butter, just a little bit of I don't know, probably a little pinch of salt, but something that is helpful. It's not too processed and is not high in sugar and salt. So that will keep us make good choices of food.